You know, somebody once said that on the 4th of July, the Earth rotates and Texas becomes 77 miles from the sun. Well, I don't know if that's true, but the heat has sure been turned up here in North Texas. It's getting hot. But I do have a serious question for you. Do you need to add Freon to your HVAC unit every summer? If you do, you might think that it's a normal process that needs to be done every year and that it's completely natural. Well, it's not. If you think about it, if Freon is a gas, and it is, and it's leaking out of your system to the point that you need to have it replaced, simple logic tells us that there must be a leak somewhere in your system. Anyone who has any training in air conditioning repair will tell you that this leak needs to be found and fixed. New systems don't leak, and old systems should only need to be topped off on occasion. Just because you can't smell it doesn't mean that it's not harming you, your family, or your pets in some way. Would you like some good news? Currently, with every refrigerant fill-up, the Air Repair Pros will perform a leak detection test for you at no additional charge. That's right, it's free. We're offering this $89 value because you need to know exactly where this gas is leaking into your home. Let me ask you a question. If your car suddenly started losing gasoline, would you just keep adding more gas, or would you contact a qualified auto mechanic, find the leak, and have it fixed? Can we agree that you'd have your car fixed? Well, now you have the best of both worlds with your air conditioning unit. We'll provide you the Freon you need to keep your system cooling, and we'll find the leak for you, and we'll perform the leak detection test for free. So call the pros, the Air Repair Pros, and have us test your system to find out where your system is leaking so that you can get it fixed now. Take advantage of the Air Repair Pros' current offer to perform a leak detection test, which would normally cost $89 for free with any refrigerant fill-up. Your family's health is more important than just staying temporarily cool and saving a few bucks. So please call the Air Repair Pros today. We want to keep you cool and safe all season long. So call the pros, the Air Repair Pros, right now. You'll be really glad that you did, I promise.